Alright, rev it up a little bit. Go ahead. Holy fuck.
Dude, I want to see that.